Today, we are going to create a beautiful hair bow with a corker, tail, and a hair clip attachment. Let's start! We will be using gross grain ribbon and 2.5 cm wide. Make your needle and thread ready because we will be using them next. Poke the needle in the middle and the other ribbon. And next is the white one. And we have red. Wrap the thread around and pull it gently while shaping the bow. Now we will grab our corker ribbons. So this was made beforehand. I have other DIY tutorials showing you how to make these corkers. Please check it out. I used glittered canvas fabric for the centerpiece. And we will attach our hair clip. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!